Hello, people of Gold Coast. Did you go to Gold Coast? I have an announcement to make, not an announcement. But I realized I just jump mother ke Coke lit pani. So Coke man na chukar mare o pigan. Kel do bodo ji ba nga jo ya man chukar man chukar mar Coke. Chukar mar Coke we riders. So pane it's just kapane but mat Coke man madi kan ya pono tango. I mean jum madi mokto but Coke man nang mo we rider chukar man yen. So I would like to demonstrate just a little bit of what Coke can do to you. All right? And wala chukar mo nyiri any Coke. So this is Coke. Huh? Be Coke and mana Coke kare. So we're gonna do an experiment to see how much sugar a chukar mo nyiri o madi kan. Kipar dino yo kore mo depa ka kan. So just to show man mo be Coke mana kare. Yep. Nye ball wala jere ha. Una je mat Coke. This is Coke. Okay. So kodege moro we'll see how much wala chukar mo nyiri nani gin kan. Just give me I'll show you again how much sugar a chukar mo nyiri and it Coke is about 375 ml. 375 ml. A chukar mo nyiri nani God knows. Let's wait and see. This is just for educational purposes. One may pen net mat Coke medmon, you know, it's fun, it's sweet, you know, it's awesome. But at the end of the day, it's let's wait and see. Nya ball kajara ni mudigi mchani chana kulum Coke man. I deri tani mado gore ka ubera. Medoj. Lu medoj mana atori. Jama metonda adu jama med mutot ka bar pen. Nyiri ne en again. So gonna tear the chain. Then you there, Kaperka Manawa, Gold Coast Kane, Jomado Girich, Coke. Kel man for mamana. And then we're gonna punk a coke, very. No, nano fridge can for punk a coke. So no channel to join in Coke power, but it's gonna carry. So one key, Coke at Talahin. Nan. Wala chukar muniri, ne any Coke. Kerao Marevera. Like one little channel and joy and bung down with Coke. About Coke met channel. They don't the Coke utiona and addiction down there Coke. So manage by business is made for business purposes. Joatich Coke John egitiona there the percentage. Mark Coke mane Coke there matin so that people can buy it more. Depending on how NG pana healthy. No chana je mama kanya didi. Kid ne buy jotich go. Buy mama ina kodi. Mama gonna buy jotich Coke kare. Kid ne buy jotich Coke chon. Anu me chana jotich atawa. Atawa kid is not healthy, right? But at the end of the day, they do it. Keper ginangati marken. So let's give it a couple minutes. I'll show you guys again. So we're back at it at Mr. Coke. Almost. So you can see it. It looks like bikere chukar chano wangare. Man, I mean bitiane por pi kunelej but neno joyak wala chukar muniri nenigen. like literally begin begin to eat dana. Eh? What the? Are you serious? Huh? Let it cook a little bit.
Stay tuned.
Huh? Let it cook a bit. This is just been at least man be mono 375 milliliters, like 375 mils. Like seriously. Like how you drink this? I don't know about this. So this is Mr. John doing the experiment. Terrible. Yeah, John, I just madunu to like, can you imagine that? Oh my goodness. Rangomo. Eh? Can you see that? Manuko? Banbe chukar mano ni Coca shell. Nenomo. Eh? Oh my goodness. Nenomo. Nenomo. My God. Man, I be Coca shell, you know. Man, I chukar ka patadi, you know. Like, seriously. Oh my God. Gana puto no chekajo no italo permano ne dete branyak puto ne no don ne no mo. So no da moda ka dak ke ashel ka dere no modi ka dak ye chel you know a chukar mo nyiri no endere ga just a chel chuk ko ka chel kere be gnu tiye no ne manche I mare at least spoons mo jira ka pare tablespoon phone Bians nenok be gana par que per maneno be 375 mils 375 mils malet no romi que ten coke maneno 375 mils so you can see it mana be pi chano en pakare so Kabar pi mi chanone for this much water ne chukar man bare ne owokiye a chukar munyiri how much benen ye kai hey man be careful anyways this is not to Papa ne community but per ne mat marji ko ne nit you know kapar wala kayo matine ngi wala gine nikiti dairy you know so then you know what you're drinking it's just for educational purposes kapar kayo mati coke you know how much sugar is in this thing look at this look at this oh my God nanumo achukar manyiri wow can you imagine that how much sugar is this it's gonna get stuck even later Rangomo can you see this? Get energy. Chukar mania. Rangomo. Whoa. Look at this. Look at that. A Coca shell beginu mataje. Just think about it. Just think about it. Nenomo. Just think about it. Ranji and Ojo Patch. I'm serious. I'm serious. Just it's for you to no pat can look at this. Do iki pa ke fridge man bare. But at the end of the day, this is what you're putting into your begino kedelan. Look. Oh my Jesus Christ. So anyways, I don't have much to say. Perne ngaji yak Coca shell, kamati Coca shell. It's this much you're drinking this much sugar right so it's just a warning not a warning. It's just an educational purpose message. Kaperne on any mother Coke does, you know. Ned Nero Mutin. Kapere Coke took her money yen. It's ridiculously too much. Be girpenya chel ma joro ritken. Itu mi ajoma. Of course, Brightman it tastes good, but man, we got to avoid this thing. I'm gonna show you for the last time. Be chukarije mar Coca shell. So, yeah, nene. Come and look at it. Man twin padago. Oh nene. Manchon pa chukar matin. Kajara chukar kure pareak. Kure mutte babayu. Bad actually. You see this, Raimo? Right. Man be Coca shell yano. This is be Coca shell yano. Boy. Even be chakachano we lit. De wata man ga pananyo da yakon nenga je man chukar da mo parlo chicken. Ka par man ma de ko kanya tan ane wor ma balan man tane je. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Bung mor mo pal ma de chana. Merry Christmas. Try to avoid a little bit Coke, you know. Drink something else. Drink water. Mati ko pee. Pee is the best drink. Pee is the best drink. So, be mara yana no. Be ma piu chan Christmas. Merry Christmas and opiu pier mananyan. And ambelo turuno. So at the end of the day, this is what happens. Angudi mara be yana. Look at this. Look at this. Like jangwa. Koromodo kinna bare. Think about this. Ramomo. Ayang amara kona. Oh my God. Keman tiri poronya da. Look at this. Look at this. Be Coca na batik. But like gindi chong amaje. Look at this, guys. Look at this. And like you drink 3 of this a day. You mudaga rio at dagang when Mama Raimo. Mama man kera between podago. Raimo. Oh Raimo. 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 Jumata again. Yeah, I know the point. I don't care. I don't Nama pene ngano ni no ko dero ko glow man message man bu ngan mo bayo jon joke ge kar bayo man yon ba business marke gat so on no man nga to ne to jon ler man na mo gen pa gen no ber look at this, like what the, like who drinks man be genu chami Coca shell Coca shell be gen boy chukar mo nyiri. This is like tablespoons mo jodo ka par ko ne wal piere. Bro, I don't care, man. It doesn't matter what I was watching. I just want them to know. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Man by Coca shell jai. Coca shell jopo. This is 1 Coke. Man Coca shell. Anyways, kujara manta ya tanga experiment man. Bello, Merry Christmas. Chukar mo duang na igin kanyan. So jejo pa koromado ko. Ne matke ye shell yak like once in a while is good, but tenginu to gawanan. This is just ridiculous. Like it's super unhealthy. So the man chon no ko not to take your time. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Kejara bung morma chana. Reduce the consumption of Coke. Ciao.